1 minus tan A the whole square plus 1 plus tan A the whole square is equal to 2 secant square A. Now let me consider the left hand side, and then that is equal to right hand side I am going to prove. Okay. Now consider the left hand side. 1 minus tan A the whole square plus 1 plus tan A the whole square. Now you can see this is nothing but A minus B the whole square. This one is A plus B the whole square. So I am going to use the formula to expand this. Okay. Now what is the formula? A minus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Next formula, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So these are the two formulas I am going to use it here. So now this is equal to, now this is your A and this is your B. So now this is A minus B. So what is the formula? This formula I have to use A square plus B square. A square is 1 square, again it is equal to 1. 1 square plus B square. B is tan A, so tan square A plus, sorry, this formula minus 2AB. Minus 2 into A is 1 into B is tan A. Okay? Now let me close it. Okay. Plus. Again open the bracket. Now here A plus B formula. Now A is 1 and B is tan A. Now A plus B the whole square formula I am going to use. A square. 1 square is 1 plus B square. So it is tan square A plus 2AB. 2 into A is 1 into B. B is tan A. Okay. So I have used the formula and expanded. Now this is equal to 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A. Now I can write it, this one as 2 into 1 into tan A, I can write it as 2 tan A, minus 2 tan A. Let me close the bracket. Plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A. Okay. Now let me remove the bracket. Let me write as it is. Okay. Now here 1 plus into plus. We need not change the sign. Plus 1. Plus into plus is again plus, plus tan square A. Again plus into plus is plus 2 tan A. Okay. Now you can see here minus 2 tan A is there. Here plus 2 tan A. So I am going to cancel this. Okay. Now you can see plus 1 plus tan square A. Again 1 plus tan square A. So let me write this one as 2 into 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Now what is the formula for 1 plus tan square A? 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. You have already seen in the square relation. 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Since this I am going to change this as 2 into secant square. Now you can see I have proved this is equal to 2 secant square A. So it's a very simple one. I am using the formula to expand it, then doing the simplification, and I am able to prove it is equal to 2 secant square A. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Now if you see this problem, you will be wondering how to show on the left hand side solving it, how to prove it is equal to 1. It's very simple. Whenever you take a trigonometric problem, you have to reduce it in a you have to simplify it using the identities and the relations. Then you will be able to prove it is equal to 1. Now let me show how to do this. Now let me consider again the left hand side. Always you have to reduce it in a simpler form. Sine, cos, like that. If you reduce, it will be very easy to solve all the trigonometric problems. Now you see secant A, 1 minus sin A, secant A, tan A. Now I am going to reduce all the secant A's, tan A and all in a simpler form. Secant A I can write it as 1 by cos A. Okay? 1 by cos A. Now this 1 minus sin A I am going to keep it as it is. So because I will not be able to reduce anymore. 1 minus sin A. Okay. Now secant A, again secant A is there. Let me write it as 1 by cos A plus tan A, I can write it as sin A by cos A. Like this only you have to proceed the problem so that it will be able to prove the right answer. Now let me combine these two and write 1 minus sin A by cos A. Okay. Now for this you can see cos A is the common. So let me write it together. Cos A, numerator 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now you can see here the numerator, it is 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Now this is nothing but it is in the form A minus B, A plus B. Okay. In multiplication, here there is a multiplication. So A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. You know this formula, right? A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So I am going to use this formula and I am going to combine the numerator together. So here 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So it is 1 minus 1 square minus sin square. 1 square is 1. So sin square A divided by denominator I am going to multiply it is cos square A. Okay. Now you know that 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Yes or no? You know this formula, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So I am taking the sin square A to the other side. It is cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. I am going to substitute it here. Cos square A divided by cos square A. So numerator and denominator are same. So I can cancel the numerator and denominator, so it is equal to 1. So we have proved it is equal to 1. So it's a very simple thing. While seeing the problem, you will be wondering how to do it. But after doing the simplification, it is very easy to prove the right answer. So I have changed the secant A into 1 by cos A. Here also I am changing it to 1 by cos A and sin by cos A. I am combining these two terms and I am combining these terms, and you can see the numerator, it is in the form A minus B and A plus B. So I am using the formula A square minus B square. So 1 minus sin square A. You know the relation cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So I am changing this as cos square A. So I am cancelling the numerator and denominator. You are getting is equal to 1. So very simple to do. Yes. Next, let's move on to the next problem. Prove the identity 1 plus tan square A into cot A by cosecant square A is equal to tan A. Now let me consider the left hand side. Then I'll prove it is equal to the right hand side. So first let me consider the left hand side, which is 1 plus tan square A into cot A by cosecant square A, which is equal to, so I have to bring this to be equal to tan A. So how to proceed? Now how to proceed is, let me simplify all these terms into sine and cos terms, so it will be very easy for me to show it is equal to tan A. So 1 plus tan square A, you know the formula, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. So let me write it is equal to secant square A cot A by cosecant square A. Okay. Next, again let me simplify this. I have to bring tan A. So I have to bring this in terms of sine and cos. Then do the simplification. I have to bring in terms of tan A. So let me write secant square A. I can write it as 1 by cos square A. Okay. Secant square A, I am writing it as 1 by cos square A. Cot A, I can write it as into cot A. I can write it as cos A by sin A. Okay. The whole thing divided by cosecant square A, I can write it as 1 by sin square A. 1 by sin square A. Okay. Now I have simplified it. Now you can see here cos A is there, cos square A is there. So let me cancel 1. So now this is equal to, numerator will be equal to 1 by cos A sin A, numerator. Okay. The whole thing divided by denominator, I am writing it as it is. Okay. Now let me bring this denominator to the numerator. So I have to change the division into, to come to the reciprocal. 1 by cos A sin A, numerator I am writing it as it is, into denominator I am bringing to the numerator. So it becomes the reciprocal and it is multiplication here. Sin square A by 1, right? Now this is equal to, now you can see here sin A is a sin square A can cancel, sin A and 1 sin A can cancel. So I will be left over with 1 sin A in the numerator and cos A in the denominator. You know that sin A by cos A is tan A, hence root. So what I'm doing is 1 plus tan square, I am changing it to secant square A. After that, secant square I am writing it as 1 by cos square A, cot A I am writing it as cos A by sin A, and the denominator cosecant square A I am writing it as 1 by sin square A. Now you can see cos A terms are there, I am cancelling. So numerator I am left over with 1 by cos A sin A, and denominator as it is I am writing. Next I am taking the denominator to the numerator, I have to take it in the reciprocal, sin square A by 1, cancelling the sin terms. So I am left over with sin A and cos A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. So the simplification is very easy to understand, right?